Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer crypto from Binance Exchange to Binance Wallet. First, let's open the app. Here tap on Assets in bottom right corner. Here go to Wallet section. Tap on Receive. Choose Withdraw from Binance Exchange. Here choose which crypto you want to transfer from Exchange to your wallet. I will go with Ethereum. Select the network you want to use. I will go with Arbitrum. Tap Continue after you are ready. Choose how much tokens you want to transfer and tap Withdraw. And confirm. Here you have to pass the security verification. Once done, your crypto will be on its way to your wallet. And it's done. By the way, if you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.